Welcome everyone. Today, let's dive into squeeze pages, powerful tools for capturing leads and growing your subscriber base. Discover what they are, why they matter, and how to create them effectively. First of all, what is a squeeze page? Think of a squeeze page as a landing page focused on one mission: collecting email addresses. It's a straightforward yet powerful method to cultivate relationships and nurture potential customers. Why use squeeze pages? Email marketing remains influential, and squeeze pages assist in building that crucial email list. They not only capture leads, but also offer insights into their interests for targeted outreach. Now, let's talk about creating a good squeeze page and its key concepts. Emphasize benefits. Clearly present what your offer solves for your audience. Why should they share their email? Keep it brief. Grab attention quickly with concise and compelling copy. Avoid overwhelming with excessive information. Speak directly to your audience using relevant language and visuals. Compelling call to action. Clearly instruct them using contrasting colors and action-oriented text. Now, what about post-squeeze engagement? Once you've got their email, here's how you can keep your audience engaged. Offer even more value. Exclusive content or special discounts with a thank you page. Personalize your welcome message and offer valuable insights. Use segmentation to group your leads by interest for tailored communication. Finally, use drip campaigns. Nurture leads with a series of informative emails spaced out over time. Squeeze pages can revolutionize your marketing. By nurturing leads and building relationships, you can quickly transform emails into loyal customers. Ready to build your high-converting squeeze page? Check out Instapage. Sign up for a free trial today to see the difference.